Yes, family, we at Boabeng, Fiema, Monkey Sanctuary.
We have an interior guy, he's called Kofi. So he will take us around and show us. What do you want? Kofi,
that's what the sign says. Don't feed them.
Ask Kwabena.
Hello.
Kwabena, can we feed the monkeys?
No.
This is the tour guide.
You excited? The monkeys, they're gonna videotape the monkeys?
Yeah, hey, the monkey, you could feed them. He's gonna tell us a lot of important things.
Hello.
Sass, you remember this place?
I remember this brother.
Remember October 2015?
I was here. Yeah.
I'll see where you got that bucket. The folks are gonna put a lot of money in there.
Hello.
They do all kinds of tricks.
Hello.
Watch out, Cobra. The monkey's about to jump on top of your head.
Hello, please, can I have 1 minute? Hello, you are once again welcome to Boabeng Fiema Monkey Sanctuary. And from the name of the attraction, Boabeng and Fiema, these are the names of the two communities. So this village is known as Boabeng, but Fiema is on the other side. Please, whenever you come here, we have two species of monkeys. We have the Mona and we have the black and white colobus. With the Mona monkeys, they are humanly friendly because they also take in human food. So you mostly see the Mona monkeys twice within the village. They come to various houses for food. So when you have food, you give them. But if you don't give them, they steal from you. So whenever you are living in this village and you have a room without a ceiling, you should know that you are living with the Mona monkeys. But with the black and white colobus, all they take is the leaves of the trees. So with the black and white colobus, they are not friendly. Yeah. You know, the monkeys over here were discovered in the year 1827. And that was the year our ancestors, hello. The monkeys over here were discovered in the year 1827. And that was the year our ancestors migrated to this place. So originally the people living on these two villages are not from here. They came from a suburb in Kumasi known as Samukum, and they came here in the year 1827. Just a minute.
Hello. Y'all welcome.
Hello.
How are you? Oh, you got it. Good job.
Hello. As I said, our ancestors migrated to this place in the year 1827. And they came from a suburb in Kumasi known as Samukum. When they came here, one of the elders decided to tour within the forest in search of water. And that's where he discovered the monkeys for the first time, around a shrine, closer to a riverside, when he wanted to fetch water. When the monkeys saw the man, the monkeys were very scared because there was no human settlement around here. So the monkeys did run away, and our ancestor decided that he was going to bring the shrine to the village. So he then brought the shrine, gave it to the fetish priest they came along with. They consulted the gods and they were told that the land belongs to the monkeys. So whenever you come here, the monkeys are the owners of the land, not the humans. So whenever you come here, we don't kill any of the monkeys. And when they die too, we don't eat them. We bury the monkeys like the way we do bury humans. So whenever you come into this village, we have a monkey priest. He's a human. He takes care of the monkeys. So in case any of the monkey dies, all we do is to inform the priest that one of his children is dead. When he's coming, we then come along with a whitish cloth, a small size coffin, and a bottle of schnapps. You then take the monkey to the monkey cemetery, wrap the monkey nicely with the whitish cloth, put the monkey in the small size coffin, bury it, and afterwards pour libation to the shrine. But there's one thing, the priest who buried the monkeys is also buried at the monkey cemetery when he dies, because he's been considered to be the human representative of the monkeys. And as I said, we have two species. We have the Mona and we have the black and white colobus. With the Mona monkeys, they give birth twice within a year, whilst the black and white colobus give birth only once. But with the black and white colobus, when they give birth, the color of their babies are pure white. But with time, it changes to black and white. So, any question?
Do we get to see the colobus?
Yeah, we can see them. Another question? Hello, any question again?
Are you supposed to, can you feed them or no?
Yeah, you can feed them, but you have to buy the peanuts from here.
Do they still eat banana?
Yeah, they do. You know, hello, they do eat banana, but when you come into this village, we don't grow banana and plantain
so
because of the
peanut.
monkeys.
So that's their diet is banana, plantain, peanut.
You have a city?
I'm sure.
All right, so you ready to lead us into?
Yep.
That's too large to change.
Actually, $1 million.
I'm taking two. Because one's from this one, one's from here. One? One from here.
Go up into there. Then we go up, we're going to take a walk.